Back to mygardenchannel.com's YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about plant hacks for beginners, easy tips to keep your plants thriving. So all you plant lovers out there, whether you're just starting your plant journey or looking to improve your green thumb, I've got some simple but super effective plant hacks to keep your plants happy and healthy. Today, we're going to share 7 easy tips that will help you care for your plants, even if you're a total beginner. So grab your favorite plant, sit back, and let's dive into these plant hacks that'll help keep your green babies thriving. All right, hack number 1, use the finger test for watering. Watering is one of the most common things people struggle with when they first start growing plants. Too much or too little water can harm your plants. So how do you know when it's time to water? Here's a simple hack. Use the finger test. Stick your finger into the soil about 1 to 2 inches deep. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels moist, hold off for a few more days. This trick works great for most houseplants and even outdoor plants. It's a surefire way to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. As a bonus tip, in a potted plant, always water until the excess runs out of the drainage holes, so your plants get a thorough soak. Remember, each plant has its own watering needs. So use this hack to get in tune with their rhythms. Hack number 2, reuse coffee grounds for plant nutrition. Got some leftover coffee grounds? Don't throw them away. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is great for boosting soil health and feeding plants, especially for acid-loving plants like roses, azaleas, or blueberries. Simply sprinkle a small amount of used coffee grounds around the base of your plants or mix them into the soil. But be careful, you don't want to overdo it. Too many coffee grounds can make the soil too acidic. A little bit every once in a while is enough. And if you're into composting, coffee grounds are a great addition to your compost pile. This is an eco-friendly way to nourish your plants while reducing waste. Hack number 3, create a DIY self-watering system. If you're someone who forgets to water your plants, this next hack is for you. Create a DIY self-watering system using an old plastic bottle. All you need is to poke small holes in the cap of the bottle, fill it with water, and bury it upside down in the soil near the plant's base. This system slowly releases water directly into the soil as needed, keeping your plants hydrated over time. It's perfect for vacation watering or for those who want low-maintenance solutions. Plus, it's a great way to upcycle old bottles. This hack works best for larger houseplants and outdoor plants that need consistent moisture. Hack number 4, use cinnamon as a natural fungicide. Dealing with plant pests or fungal issues? Cinnamon is your new best friend. This household spice is a natural antifungal agent that can help prevent fungus from growing in your soil and on your plants. If you notice a white, fuzzy mold or signs of disease on your plants, sprinkle a light dusting of cinnamon on the affected areas. Cinnamon also helps with root rot prevention by keeping soil fungus at bay, which is particularly useful when repotting plants. It's a chemical-free, safe solution that won't harm your plants, pets, or the environment. Just sprinkle a little bit around the base of the plants and it will help keep fungi and pests away. Hack number 5, repot when you see roots coming out. If you see roots growing out of the bottom of your plant's pot, it's a sign that your plant is becoming root bound and it's time to repot. A plant becomes root bound when its roots grow too large for its container, which can stunt its growth. Repotting into a slightly larger pot gives your plant more space to grow and helps it to absorb nutrients better. When repotting, be gentle with the roots. Make sure to loosen them up so they can spread easily into their new home. Always choose a pot with drainage holes and fresh, nutrient-rich soil after repotting. Water your plant well and give it some time to adjust in its new environment. Repotting is essential for healthy growing plants, so keep an eye on those roots. Hack number 6, use banana peels for natural fertilizer. Here's a fun, zero-waste hack. Use banana peels to feed your plants. Banana peels are packed with potassium and other essential nutrients that promote strong root development and help plants resist pests. Simply cut up a banana peel and bury the pieces around the base of your plants. As the peels break down, they release nutrients into the soil, giving your plants a natural, slow-release fertilizer. This method works especially well for flowering plants and fruit-bearing plants like tomatoes and peppers. It's an easy, cost-effective way to give your plants a healthy boost without the need of chemical fertilizers. Hack number 7, rotate your plants for even growth. Ever notice that your houseplants start leaning toward the light? This happens because the plants naturally grow towards their light source, which can cause them to become lopsided over time. To prevent this, make it a habit to rotate your plants every week or so. By turning your plants 90 degrees each time, they'll grow more evenly and maintain a balanced shape. This hack is especially important for sun-loving plants like succulents or those near windows. Even indoor plants need consistent exposure to light on all sides, and rotating them ensures they stay strong and symmetrical. And there you have it, 7 simple yet effective plant hacks to help keep your plants thriving. Whether you're just getting started or looking for new ways to improve your plant's care routine, these tips are perfect for beginners. Remember, taking care of plants is all about trial and error, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun along the way. If you found these hacks helpful, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more plant care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy planting!